हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में मैं क्लास 12 राइटिंग सेक्शन का 10 मार्क्स में सेकंड चीज़ कवर करने वाला हूँ, वो है डिबेट राइटिंग। डिबेट राइटिंग एक्चुअली मैं 10 मार्क्स में आपको सिलेक्ट करना है तो डिबेट राइटिंग सिलेक्ट करना है, क्योंकि मैं डिबेट में आपको ऐसा इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन दूंगा कि आप हर जगह इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो। मतलब कोई भी डिबेट में कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए, कोई भी रिलेटिवली क्वेश्चन आए, अगर आप इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन जो मैं आपको दूंगा आप वो यूज़ करते हो, आपका बहुत अच्छा इंप्रेशन बनेगा और आपको कंटेंट में 2 मार्क्स और एक्सप्रेशन में एटलीस्ट 1 मार्क्स तो मिलेगा ही। तो 4-5 मार्क्स में आराम से डिबेट में आपको, अगर आप एग्जाम में बस मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन कंक्लूजन लिख के भी आ जाते हैं, आपको अच्छे खासे 5 से 6 मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे। 50 to 60% मार्क्स यू विल गेट इफ़ यू फॉलो माई इंट्रोडक्शन एंड कंक्लूजन। सो लेट्स बिगिन। डिबेट राइटिंग 10 मार्क्स में कवर होता है। डिबेट राइटिंग उनके सारे मतलब भाई बंधुओं से सबसे इजी है, और मैं ये नहीं करूँगा कि आप इस भाई को ही अपना दोस्त बनाइए। मतलब आप एग्ज़ाम में बस इसी को ही लिख के आइए। आगे मैं जब इसका फॉर्मेट बताऊंगा उसमें एक एग्जांपल लूँगा जिसमें इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन होगा, जो आप सेम टू सेम एग्जाम में भी लिख के आते हैं, आपको अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। डिबेट राइटिंग ये 10 मार्क्स का होता है एज यूजुअल। 1 मार्क्स फॉर्मेट, 4 मार्क्स कंटेंट एंड 5 मार्क्स फॉर एक्सप्रेशन। वन मेजर चेंज इन डिबेट इज दैट वी हैव टू नॉट राइट द राइटर्स नेम. I have deliberately written writer's name then cut because most of the question in 10 marks contains title and writer's name, but debate does not contain, so I have cut writer's name. Title is important, you have to use title. Many of the books have shown that title, we have to not write title, but according to CBSE marking scheme, please write title. If you don't write title, it is not a disadvantage, but if you write title it will be advantage for you. So please write the title, attractive title. And the format marking scheme depends on salutation, introduction, main body, and develop points and conclusion. These 5 points are very important for debate format. If you follow these 5 points, you will surely get 1 marks. You have to just divide these all parts in your debate writing. In content, what is that? In content, your creativity is matters the most. Fluency, how fluent you are with the language, with your points you have chosen in debate writing. And then we have to do the clear, how clear you are for that topic. The examiners are also teachers, they also know what student have written and how clear they are on this topic. You have to focus on this. And good points, have you chosen good points for your for and against topic? Your points are relevant, up to the mark for getting full marks in content. They will also see good points. So remember, choose only 5 points, but choose best 5 points only for debate writing. Do not write anything which will do not allow good marks. So the next thing is expression. In expression, as usual, spelling and grammar. Here spelling and grammar weightage is higher, 2 to 2.5 marks. Examiners also say 2 to 5 marks we give for spellings and grammars, and selection of words and points. As good points here, I said if you make good points you will surely get 1 to 2 marks if you may your points are relevant and good to the topic. For for debate you have to you write only 5 points for against, because if you use too much point, that will be not relevant to the topic. The word limit will be crossed and some mark may be cut for your spelling and grammar. So write less but to the point and under the word limit. So I just follow 5 points. If you write 5 points, you will definitely get good marks in debate writing. And some key point for writing debate is that use proper salutation and at last write thank you. You have to use proper salutation when you start your debate. Stick to the motion, means if you have chosen that I am against the motion, you should only be against to the motion. अरे थोड़ा सा ये भी ठीक है वो भी ठीक है, नहीं, बीच वाला नहीं. You have to be only one side. You have to be only in one side, against or for. If you are getting some point for, please do not write anything related to that point. It may cut your marks. You may lose your marks, like negative marking you can get, means -1 can be also given by the examiner. Give strong example for your best point. If you are using anything, your strongest point, use from the 5 point you have 2 point very strong. So try to give examples and put them in the main body, and try to give some examples to this point. So I would say please give at least one example in your debate writing. You can increase your half marks. You can increase your half marks in this. Then we have, do not use the same point again and again. This is also very, very important. The people who do not get any point repeat their point in first paragraph they used. They go and write what they do in second paragraph. At last they use the same point. They are examiners and they check hundreds of copies every day. So please do not make them fool by repeating the points. So according to me, please do not repeat the point. If you are not able to make 5 points, then write only 4 points. It will not show adverse effect on examiner. If you repeat the point, there will be an adverse effect in the examiner, as some people do odd options so that the teacher can give them marks in the another question giving. So this is not correct. They know and they will cut their marks. Then we have use language as for debate. As you know, if you are taking a for the motion, you have to be little polite, and if you are taking a little against, you should be little aggressive. But do not use any bad languages. I repeat, please do not use any abuse or bad languages for writing debate. I saw some emotional student who show their anger in the paper, writing against topic and showing them anger. One question came, should homework be removed from school syllabus? Many of the student against, yes, blah blah blah, they used bad languages, and it is not a very good thing. So now I'm going to show you the format with an example. Please see that format. It is really very important, and I will give you the slide. Please take a screenshot of that slide and try to learn that introduction and conclusion, and according to the topic just paste it out. The first you have to write here, no box is not important in article writing. Just remember, box is not important. First you have to write the title. After title just leave one line, and after leaving one line you have to give salutation. So respected chairperson, honorable judge, members of staffs and friends, I, your name given in the question, stand here today to speak. You are choosing what topic, for or against. Yes, for example, for the motion, that title. At the very outset, I like to raise this question. Please try to make one very good question and put in this point. If you do this, you will get 2 marks here only. I can guarantee, reading this, any examiner will give you at least 1.5 to 2 marks. And after that leave one line. Then you have to complete your 5 points, leave one line. In my opinion, then write your this is not good, this is bad, this should be removed. What some examples you can give over here. In that only, when you are concluding the main body means the middle paragraph of the debate, you will use, I fail to understand why my worthy opponent has decided to support or oppose such a dreadful or a valuable topic, such a dreadful and a valuable topic. Then leave, and at the last paragraph you will use, my final argument is that, that, just write one more point if possible, write one more point or give any solution for that point, and write, I support, oppose the motion for the title, you will write that. And at last, do not forget to leave one line and write thank you. Many of the students leave thank you. It is not bad. You will not get marks will not be cut if you are getting 10 marks, you will get 9.5 if you leave this thank you. So please remember to write thank you at last. So this was there in debate writing. I preferred writing debate, and this video is a little big longer comparatively to this 6 mark series, because debate writing is little bit more easy, so I wanted to explain you more properly. So thank you, follow my channel. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say